Good morning, and thank you for being here for the monthly update on the Hedge Investment Credit Fund. The month of June was slightly negative, around 25 basis points. Vast majority of the performance was minus 100 basis points coming from the macro shorts that we established during the month and which we've been adding with the view of the end of the summer as a point for market correction, which we view as overdue because the growth of the economy and the inflationary pressure and probably a very strong desire of many of the central banks to start at least reducing some of the monetary stimulus. Our view remains the same. We will never see interest rates going up. But we will see central banks trying to reduce the monetary stimulus, trying to reduce the amount of money injected every month in the economy. And that will have very, very severe repercussion on the financial assets and the valuation we are seeing in the markets, from equity to credit to overall fixed income. The rest of the book performed pretty well. We recover some through the special situation, but most of our idiosyncratic stories didn't have many big catalysts or big developments, although they are all progressing according to our base case. So we are quite confident with the rest of the book. We have been losing money on volatility and shorts, as I said, but we have added to those. Away from that, some of the trades actually work out pretty well on the capital structures, being AMC, one of the meme stock where we've been involved with the credit, TUI, which is, define most of rational valuation and is actually trading higher in valuation terms than the pre-COVID. And then we've been very successful with Ferroglobe, where we still think there's plenty of upside going forward. Overall, the theme remains the same. As I said, we think growth is going to be pretty strong. Most of the world hasn't really reopened. We are making a very strong case that COVID will be defeated. The vaccine's actually working, although the numbers of Delta variants on are going up. They seem to be manageable in terms of hospitalization. Obviously, there's a big question mark. We'll find out soon. But we're pretty comfortable with the assumption that eventually the vaccination will work. Obviously, we'll change the book quite quickly if it were not the case. But our base case remains strong economy, much more inflationary pressure are to be structural. And so because of that, we'll need to be very, very vigilant. Thank you.